Hi, a happy hoarder here, and welcome to Queens of Christmas Holiday Decor Club, presenting the 12 Days of Christmas Countdown Decor Ideas for 2021. I want to thank our lovely host, Lady Allie of Glam Elegant Living, and her wonderful co-host. Please check out the links to their channels and their videos in the playlist in the description below. Hi, a happy hoarder here, and what better way to start our 12 days of Christmas in November? I would like to mention right now, and the reason we're starting it in November, so you cannot be so stressed out the last few weeks of December. You need to be enjoying your holidays from Thanksgiving on. So get us some stuff done now. We're giving you some ideas and hopefully, encourage you to start putting it all together so that you can enjoy your holidays the entire month from Thanksgiving to Christmas. But anyway, what I want to tell you, I thought this was a really cute way to start the 12 Days of Christmas for me. I hope y'all enjoy it. I mentioned before that I collect House of Hatton Santas, mostly Santas. I have some other figures. Sorry, I knocked my glasses off. I'm a little wonky. Anyway, my sister gave me a, must be 20-something years old. I mean, she's had it forever. Set, well, it's gotta be, is it 20? Yeah, maybe. No, I think that she has actually had these since House in Hatton was in business. So my brother and sister-in-law actually bought her these, and she gave them to me because my brother doesn't decorate and they have other things, but if they ever want them, I have them right here for them. In the meantime, I'm gonna use them. So she sent me the House of Hatton, well, she actually brought them to me, 12 Days of Christmas ornaments, and I have never taken them out of the box, so I don't even know. And I think she says maybe one of them needs repaired. She couldn't remember. So she just basically had them in a box and brought them with her, and I could open them, and we so sweetly, I don't know what order they're going to come out, but we're going to just kind of randomly do this, or maybe I should re-edit this video so they're in the right order. But on the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. Now these were probably carved, well, yeah, absolutely carved out of wood first, and that's typically what you will see with House of Hatton. And then they're cast in resin, but look how sweet, and they're just the cutest thing. Look at the adorableness. I should have brought something to like back it up with, but I never think of that, do I? How about those nails? How about the, if it wasn't for all the DIYs I need to be doing, I would get my nails done, but not gonna happen because I have too many DIYs to do. Yay, that's what I'm going to be doing. So please check my channel because I will be doing that. And I'll also be doing live from my studio because I got a lot of little projects to work on. Also, my goals for these 12 days, I had some goals and I forgot what they were. But November is my No Spend November month. And so that means I don't spend money on anything except for things that, or for gifts or something we really, really need. So, which is hopefully nothing's going to come up that we need, but hopefully I'll be able to save some money this month, kind of like I did back when I did No Spend. What was it? I can't figure out which one's what. No shopping September, No Spend November. So I'm doing No Spend November. Did I say that right? I don't know. Gonna have to go edit that out if I did. Did not say it right? So, the difference being you're going to maybe shop, maybe, something will come up that you need to buy something. Is one thing, but not to go shopping. But one thing I noticed is during the month of September, I had a lot more time to watch other people's videos. I had a lot more time to get some things organized in my house. You wouldn't know now to look at my whole October month. It's been kind of crazy. Part of that is because I went shopping a few times and I brought home some hauls and I saved them just for you. So I may be showing some of those during this series. Anyway, day number 1, partridge in pear tree. I'm so excited this one came out first. It's just kind of random. Oh, I feel like I need to wrap them back up because I don't know what I'm going to do. I wanted to do something like a wreath or something where I could hang them as I went every day. And the ones that you're seeing on the, the ones that you're seeing on the thumbnails are a set that I got at the Rock House in Ruston. I have a video about it. And they are stained glass and they're just fabulous. So those are what I'm going to be putting on all my little thumbnails throughout this series. Okay, it'd be great if I could kind of figure out what I had coming up next. Oh, I did. Oh, this is random, y'all. Let's see how random this is. Okay, because this is 2 collie birds. Now, wait, is that it? No, it's 4 collie birds. It's 2. What are these? Oh my gosh, turtle doves. Oh my gosh, it's going to be a day. I just ate. My blood sugar's kind of weird. Yeah, so there are the two turtle doves. I don't know, that's a turtle dove? Yeah, I hope they did a legitimate one. Aw, it's so cute. So I will be getting out ornaments. That'll be a big thing I'll do. I think my series is mostly going to be around unboxing and digging through goodie bags and stuff like that. This is going to be all the cool stuff I found or have. Or trying to get rid of. That was the other one. I was thinking about doing some live streams for eBay sales. I gotta get rid of some stuff, guys. Oh, it was three. Oh yeah, there's three for 10. So this one is a cardinal. I don't think, is that I gotta check. That's a cardinal. And a collie bird, they're collie birds, not calling. Some people say calling, like you're calling someone on the phone, you know, but they're collie birds. Colley, I want to say. Yeah, so I got to check on that one. Oh, she doesn't have any, these things to combine. They're selling, well, I don't know if they're selling. I think they're selling about 300, but as a group, but people have them priced for like 500. But typically $20 to $30 each. So yeah, you don't have to replace one. Now, why they made her so huge, I don't know. But this is a lady dancing. And she's huge. I didn't realize she was that big either because I've not seen her in real life. But yeah, I've not. Okay, I say I haven't seen these in real life. When I was young, I was in retail. And I worked at a mall. I worked at a Limited. And I across from our store was kind of at an angle, like our, Burger King was across from us, and then right next to them was a store that carried the House of Hatton, and that's where I fell in love with my House of Hatton, and that was in late 80s. So, and then they closed up in 2005. I'll talk more about that as we go along. So, oh, this must have made the milking. She's a pretty, I can say it because she got a milk jug in her hand. What you think? That lady? Oh, she's so cute. Look at her. She's got no milk in there, though. She's got a go milk. Wait. She does have milk. That is the milk. Oh, she's full of milk. So, actually, you're the lady's milked, having milked. So, that's pretty cute. Pretty cute. Okay, next. Who is coming up next? 3 for 10, but there's only one. There's only one, but it's got a heart. And do all of these things have a heart on them? Somewhere? That would be cool. Let me check. Because I'm now noticing a heart on this one. I saw one on the birds. Let me see about my cardinal. Does she have any heart? Yeah, she's got a heart on her vest. Right there. Is that a little look? She's got this kind of coming down the back. Isn't that sweet? That's really, it's just such a cute little thing. Let's go back to this bird. That may be a clue. No, I see no heart, but I see some berries. So it's got like a holly berry. I guess that's a holly berry. That is really interesting because there's only one. Can you not have done 4? Come on, there's just the smaller numbers you should have, right? Maybe about 5 gold rings you can stop. And this is gotta be a Lord of Leap. And okay, so here is what's funny. I forget what numbers they are once they get into the big numbers. I couldn't even start with 12. I couldn't tell you who 12 was without looking it up. 12, I don't know. Is it? Okay, I can't do it. I can't do those top 3. 10. I see it's 10 Lords of Leaping, 9 Ladies Dancing, 8 Maids of Milking, all that. So it was that leaves my drummers drumming and 11 pipers piping, right? So it must be 11 pipers, 12 drummers drumming. Does that sound right to you? Okay, do you have a heart? No. So much for that theory. Aw. No, nothing on his design. He's so cute. He's leaping. He's leaping. Yeah, I think maybe I can rig up something in my dining room, maybe over my window, but I'm so weird about, I don't know, because they're all different sizes that I don't know how they're going to hang. And then it's got to be a Gieseling. I've got somebody to rewrap. I said, oh my gosh, I'll be here all day rewrapping. Sorry about all that noise. This was like a Piper piping. And he and the Lords of Leaping guy, they're about the same size, but still, that lady dancing is huge. Oh my gosh, the swans of swimming is massive and heavy. It's like, okay, so they're resin, and one of the ones, oh, is the, isn't that weird that the, hang on a second, let's go back. Well, she's wrapped up now, but that, look how small this one was. Well, this is the, these are the two girls, whatever. I'm not even going to edit this out, y'all. I'm just going to talk like a crazy person. Oh, and to my friend Robin, who's like, why does it take you 8 hours to edit? Have you ever heard me talk? Come on. I'm going to do a lot less editing right now. Yeah, so the size is huge. This one's kind of hollow. You can kind of feel it's very light. This was so solid. This is why you don't see much of them and why they're so expensive. They do break. They are fragile and they break. And a lot of times they'll just crack because they're so thin. They'll get a thin spot on them. And this is my drummer. So yeah, the three guys I noticed are about the same size. But then, you know, like that's huge. Maids of Milking's really small. And then all birds and all that really small. So we're going to go with 12 on this. This is 12, right? Is it 12? You know, I was taking pictures today. You'd think I would have paid attention then. When I got that other set, I had to literally, oh wait, there's one left. I had to look it up. Oh, it's still, 5 gold rings. I forgot about 5 golden rings. Yeah, they're all here. And it has a heart, see? So see the 5 gold rings. I used to have this ornament. Just this one. I sold it on eBay because I'm like, I only have one. What good is it? Yeah, those are sweet. I'm so excited. So we have, in the right order, no. Okay, whatever that guy is, that was 12 drummers drumming. I'm going to go 11 pipers piping. I hope I'm not backwards. 10 lords of leaping, right? Where was he? That's not him. That's not him. Yeah, they're all like the same guy. How did you manage to lose your guy already? Seriously, where is this guy? And she looked, and she looked, and she looked, and it was right here. Okay, Robin, I got your disease. I can't find a thing. I can't find it. I should have done this one. Oh, is he on my lap? No. Found him. Okay, stop panicking. I found him. Yeah. What's that? What number is he again? Is he 10 Lords of Leaping? Ladies dancing was the big one. Oh, where is she? No, how did I lose you? Oh, here's the big one. Now that's okay. This is getting crazy. There she is. Yeah, she's a monster. All right, so remind me of, you know, well, with some tall women. There you go. I'm going to pull him back out and I'm going to do a comparison. Yeah, my little lord. He's, well, if he's on his toe, nope, he's got her. She's got him beat. She's quite the lady. And it's not just the hat. I mean, it's just the whole, oh, you know, this is like olive oil and Popeye kind of like difference. Oh, anyway, I do have some fun ideas that I could do because I will tell you, them not being the same size and me putting them somewhere like over, you know, yeah, because wherever I put them, I think it's going to bother me in my little OCD kind of whatever kind of world that I live in. Yeah, I don't know. Don't even ask. But it's going to kind of bother me that it's not even, that they're going to be all these weird sizes. So, yeah, I don't know what to do. I actually have another set of the 12 Days of Christmas I would love to show, but I'm not because I can't get to them right now. I think it would just be a nightmare. But these I could get to, so this is why I chose these to go through. I hadn't seen them. Anyway, I hadn't seen the other ones either in years, but I do know that one of mine is broken for sure. So that was 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids of milking. Is there a copyright on that song? 7 swans a swimming. We'll get it. So there's the history of the 12 Days of Christmas, which we don't really celebrate here, but I think we should. I think it's a great idea. I love it. I think that's one of the, especially with the after Christmas sales. Yeah, that's the best time to do it. 6 geese a laying. It's a hard one. 5 golden rings. It must be my collie bird or cardinal in this case. 4 collie birds. I really am going to do this. I'm singing this song. Where is he? Seriously? Where's my hens? Did I put them back in? Ah, there it is. Wait, what key was I in? Oh man, I'll never get it back. 4, 3 French hens. Not the same key, I'm sure. It's been a while since I sang. Aw. 2 turtle doves. Some little kids say tuttle. I thought that would be a tuttle. And a partridge in a pear tree. I hope that sounds good on my camera. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. And hey, hit like if you haven't. Even if you don't like how I sing, hit like anyway. Don't give me a thumbs down for that. And please subscribe if you haven't. And check out my live streams when I pop up on Tuesdays at 2 in my studios. And Thursdays at 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. I would love to have you there. I really enjoy the company, and it's always a lot of fun, and the conversations are hilarious and weird, and you never know what's going to go. So, yeah, so there's that. So, hey, so hit that notification button, and sometimes I make really good videos, or good, kind of good, or pretty good, or sometimes pretty good videos. We'll call it that. Okay, thanks for watching again. Bye!